All right, guys. Just want to say, well, welcome to this quick introduction about marketing plan and why you need a marketing plan before you even start a business opportunity or an MYM network marketing company, or even if you're doing affiliate marketing. Um, our goal is to be able to help as many people as we can possible, and for you guys to be able to get results within the first 30 days. That's our goal. And it could be any type of result, whether it's generating traffic to your website, getting a click from a lead, or even to a sale. And that's what we're trying to accomplish on this presentation so far. Just quick introduction. Who am I? My name is Rene Linares, and I lived in California most of all my life. And just like you, I went to the internet and searched for how to make money online. And what just ended up happening was is realize that, you know, I needed traffic for my business and leads. And I decided to just go completely full time during my online venture. And I took it very serious. I had dropped out of college because I was going, but my heart was not in it. Fast forward today, I am currently teaching other students how to do exactly what I'm doing, and just for them to duplicate what I do. Why traffic is important? Everybody needs traffic in the world. Every business out there that needs customers going through the front door. We're going to need a steady flow of traffic every single day. New people to talk to will bring in more revenue to your business. And the only reason why people fail in this industry is because they're not being taught how to do marketing. And that's something that I'm trying to fix. Now, I won't be able to reach the masses, of course, but if I just help one person at a time, you would benefit a lot. Some quick numbers for the industry. 44% of home-based businesses are started for less than $5,000. So that's always good to know. That's not really expensive to start a business. There's about 38 million home-based businesses in the U.S. and 70% of Americans would prefer to be self-employed. I know I'm one of them, so I'm in that percentage. And 427 billion home-based companies revenue per year. So yeah, the market's pretty big, and if you could just get like a little piece of that pie, you'd be ahead of the game, and you'd be definitely part of the 4% that is currently succeeding. 96% fail in the industry, and they all quit within the first 30 days. The business model that I have is just drive traffic to a website with the product you sell. This is basically what it comes down to. How you optimize your campaign, how you optimize your funnel for better conversions. That will be another day for another video for that. But just learning how to drive traffic to a website, like that's my main goal. If you could learn that, everything else it's just gonna fall in its place. And yeah, real quick, if you guys ever want to reach out to me, just go ahead and pick up the phone, give me a call. If I don't answer, just leave a voice message. I'm currently talking to a lot of people, so it's kind of hard to keep up with everyone. If not, you're more than welcome at the bottom, you should be able to see a calendar that you could fill out your information and you could request a free consultation with me. And I'll be able to talk to you one-on-one and just answer any questions you might have. But I wanted to show you something real quick before you kind of just doze off. What happens when you use technology? So like I might edit that piece if I upload. If I don't edit, I'm sorry guys. I just want to keep going with the presentation. I don't want to stop it now. All right, so again, I use Bing Ads to reach at least 35% of the US market. And just tell you, at least 400,000 people a month search for this keyword. Okay. And obviously it tells you, in categories and columns, different data. I could go one by one, but it would just take me a lot longer. But the point is, what I'm really trying to tell you guys is that people are constantly searching and buying products, and this is your chance where you need to get in and be like, hey, you know what? I want a piece of this. How can I get started? Who do I need to talk to? Again, no one else is going to show you this. I've done a lot of research on my own, and I know not everybody's going to be able to just share with you what I just shared with you. So again, go ahead and get your free consultation at the bottom of this page, and I'll talk to you guys soon.